Assembling your Axiom Racer Conversion. You'll need a 5/32 Allen wrench, a 9/16 end wrench, and a 10mm end wrench. Optionally, you can use an impact driver. Included in the box are 2 side assemblies, 1 seat assembly, 1 seat back assembly, all of the fasteners in packaging and out of packaging, two roll bars, 1 tow bar, 1 debris guard, 1 seat bottom pad, 1 headrest, 1 platform, 1 front wheel, and 2 rear wheels. Find one of the side frames, locate the tab on the lower left-hand side, and install one of the 1.5" by 3/8 bolts, starting it into the forwardmost mounting place on the platform. Using another 1.5" by 3/8 bolt, install it in the rear mount and tighten it up. Find the other side and move to the other side of the platform. Use the same bolt. Start with the tab in the front. Install the bolt. Rotate the side assembly down and install the rear bolt. Now tighten them both down. Find the seat assembly, orient it with the strap on the top, fit it into the frame, and starting with another 1.5" by 3/8 bolt, locate the front mounting hole and install the bolt. Move around to the other side of the chair and install another bolt in the front of the seat assembly. The third bolt, rotate the assembly up and align the hole and install it directly behind the first bolt. Move to the other side of the chair and install the fourth bolt that holds the seat assembly into place. Find the 2.5" by 3/8 bolts and the seat back assembly. Align it into the frame. Install the first bolt into the lower hole on the seat back assembly. Move to the other side and install the corresponding hole or bolt on the other side. Now find the 1.5" knob bolts. There should be 2 of them. Rotate the seat back assembly into its upright position and install one of the knob bolts into the center hole Now move to the other side and install the second knob bolt. Remember to go back and tighten all your bolts up. String the brake cable along the side of the platform. Remove the 10mm mounting nut, steel washer, and plastic washer from the mounting bolt on the brake caliper. Turn the brake caliper upside down, holding the remaining washers in place, and install it in the brake mount hole on the platform from the top to the bottom. Now place the plastic washer, steel washer, and 10mm nut back on the mounting bolt. With the 10mm wrench, tighten the 10mm nut back up and center the caliper between the two pieces of tubing. Route the cable on the underside of the platform. Loosen the Velcro on the side of the seat back. Insert the cable inside and reattach the Velcro. This keeps the cable located on the chair and out of the way of the runner. That is how the roll bar looks when it's installed. Find an 1.5" and a 3" knob bolt. With the 1.5" knob bolt, install the upper end of the roll bar. Rotate the roll bar down. Insert the 3" knob bolt through the lower mount. Align it with the threaded mount on the chair frame and screw it down tight. The parking brake is designated right and left. Find the colored ties and be sure to match them on the proper side. Remove the 5/32 screw. Insert it through the slot in the parking brake and reinstall it onto the chair frame using the 5/32 Allen wrench. Tighten the screw down and know that you may have to readjust that position when the rear wheels are installed. Find the headrest, remove the Velcro straps, put the headrest in the seat. Take the top Velcro strap and install it through the loop on the helmet pocket. Repeat with the lower strap. Move to the other side of the chair. Find the two short straps on the headrest. Insert them through the two loops on the opposite side. Now take the top strap, loop it through the plastic ring, pull it back against itself, and mate the Velcro. Now repeat the process with the lower strap, being careful not to capture the brake cable in the Velcro. The front wheel and the quick release skewer. Remove the thumb nut on the quick release skewer and the spring. Install the skewer through the center of the wheel hub. Reinstall the spring with the small end on first. Now reinstall the thumb nut. Fit the wheel into the fork tip. Adjust the thumb nut down until it is snug, being sure to keep the wheel all the way in the back of the fork tip, and then cam the lever over to lock it into place. The rear wheel has a recessed side and a flush side. The rear wheel quick release axle fits into the recessed side. Push the button, hold it, and push it inside the wheel. Now hold the button again, insert it into the receiver on the chair frame, giving it a slight pull to make sure that it's seated properly. Repeat on the other side. The seat bottom pad features Velcro on the bottom side. Fit it into the center of the seat bottom. Push it down to engage the Velcro. Find the lap harness belt and lock it into the pelvic yoke. Repeat on the other side. The conversion bicycle tow hitch, remove the 1.5" threaded knobs, loosen the quick release skewer, slip the tow bar into the fork tips, rotate it into its use position, and reinstall the thumb bolts. Be sure to tighten the knob bolts all the way. Now, tighten the thumb nut on the quick release skewer and cam the lever over to lock it into place. The debris guard fits into the two receivers on the platform. Pull the elastic strap and loop it over the frame to hold the debris guard in place.